So today I'm just demonstrating the Zig Kuretake Cocoiro. I'm not sure, I've never known how to say that correctly, so you see what that is. It comes in with lots of different refills, and these are all extra fine. I'm not quite sure if it comes in other sizes, but you just put in the refill, the color that you want, and it's a very small tip, and it's a hard tip, so you really kind of have to press a lot more to get the thicks and thins. But the tip itself is very fine, so you can get some really nice fine lines. So that's the little demo.